Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up our settings. From settings, scroll all the way down and you will find this device care right here. So tap on it, then tap on storage right here. You will have, I believe it's on advanced. Yep, there we go, advanced. And again, tap on your SD card right here, and you'll now see the option to format. Just tap on that. It gives you a message that performing this will remove all the data from your card. So if you want, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it, but I don't want to back it up. So that's what I'm going to tap, format SD card. And the process will now begin. So this should take only a couple seconds, and once it's finished, as it should be right now, the card is now ready to be used again. Click on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.